Stop teeth grinding, easy to use, mouth guard for grinding teething, clenching, TMJ bruxism. During the day and night. Easy to mold trim, create a perfect clear custom fit by trimming the moldable guard then bite to form. For adults, not for kids. 6-pack 2 sizes, 6 mouth guards in total to last you a long time. 2 different sizes for light and heavy grinding. Included case, store your dental mouth guard in the travel case. Perfect for packing during travel as well. BPA-free, safe mouth guards from BPA, phthalate, or other harmful materials. Can also be used as a teeth whitening tray. Top reviews from the United States. Best one I've tried. I've tried and returned several mouth guards. They were more expensive but they either didn't mold right, too big, not comfortable etc. I chose this one because you can trim it. I tried it before starting the mold process. I could already tell the areas that would bother me. I trimmed them down. The molding process was easy. I've used it 4 nights now. I will be keeping this product. I tried the thinner one to start.